I did want to go over today's topic because I've been getting a lot of people just calling me, asking me about if I'm qualified for 300K, 400K, 500K, what type of house is there for me in Sacramento? So today I kind of wanted to just share if you're in a certain price point, meaning your purchasing power only allows a certain amount, what type of home you're going to be looking into. Okay, because I think it's important for people to know that and to also know the numbers. So that's why we have Lisa here for that. So we're just gonna go over what can you buy with 300K. Okay, that's gonna be what we're gonna go over first. And let me just pull up the MLS here so that way you guys could kind of see what type of homes are available for you guys when you guys are qualified for 300K. Standard single family home. Active. Let's just go 300K. I'm just gonna go to Sac County, okay?
I have a feeling it's going to be a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom.
If you guys are qualifying for 300K, you guys are looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. That's the average size home that a first-time home buyer wants to purchase, right? This is it right here. There's like 3 homes right now in Sac County. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square foot. Just hit the market today, a couple hours ago. And here, let's take a look at some pictures.
Hey, that's kind of cute.
I got some deterioration right there. I can see this picture was. I guess it's okay. You know.
It's pretty cute for 300,000, guys. I mean,
Well,
I've seen much worse.
It's all right. You know, it's okay. Everybody's taste is different. I'm not gonna comment on it and offend anybody. You see, he's got 2-tone paint right here on the ceiling.
Hey, that was very, very in.
That's what you call an accent wall. That's what you call an accent wall.
Accent half a wall.
The living room looks big. You know, laminate flooring. It's pretty dark, purple. There's a ladder that's gonna come with the house. I'm just playing.
Hey, that's a $500 ladder. That looks like
you're gonna get a duster too right here. That comes with it. In a right here. Let me know if you guys know this area. It's by Real Linda 95815. Let me know if you guys know this area. Would you buy this home if you qualify for 300K? And I'm gonna share my thoughts with you guys real quick on if you would qualify for 300K, if you would even be able to get this home if you competed against it. I don't think they're done remodeling this house because the paints are like all half done. Yeah, I don't think it's done. Look, see?
Maybe they experimented and they realized it's too dark, or
I guess, or maybe there was a dresser right here, and they only painted the part they got access to. I'm just joking. Okay, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Real Linda area just came on the market. They're looking to sell it as is. Oh, this house has foundation issues.
I was gonna say for that price is not bad, but that makes sense now.
Yeah, they got a foundation issue. Okay, so you're gonna have to figure in 50 to 100K worth of repairs on this because the seller's not gonna fix it as is.
Yeah, and most lending won't allow it either.
And you know what's crazy? If you think that you were gonna submit the price at $290 for this house because you're qualified for 300K, you're probably not gonna get your offer entertained. I guarantee you, even with the foundation like this for this price in this area, this one might go over asking.
Oh yeah,
it might even go close to 300K exactly, at least, and maybe 3 to 5 offers, even for this house that has a foundation issue because it's the market right now. Okay, let's go on to the next. Oh, there's already no showing. See, so this is 300K. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, barely over 1,000 square foot. It's located in South Sacramento 95822. Okay, if you guys know this area, let me know if you guys would buy it or not. You guys could comment in the live chat. It'd be interesting to see what you guys say. But they're not even showing this house anymore because look, they got multiple offers. No more showings anymore after the 6th. So multiple offers, meaning, this house is way over 300K. For sure, it's gonna go over. Let's take a look at how this one looks. It's green, not bad. A little bit of a fixer. Pretty dated kitchen. Original hardwood.
So, in comparison, the other one still looks better.
The other one looks better, but this is a fixer, and I know this area. Homes in this area for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath are going for at least $400K.
So just so that some of our family, Chichi fams, can have a little bit more hope, Chia, since you already know this is going to go well above 300, is there anything that we can see in the 200 range that might hit the 300, you think? You think?
No.
Okay.
I don't.
There you got
They
it,
won't.
guys.
So,
Yeah.
because if you guys go back to the criteria, right? I put max
Yeah.
300K. That means anything below that would have popped up, and you guys didn't see anything around 250, 200K.
Nope.
Right? Maybe if you change this to 1-bath, you might be able to get more homes that comes up, but a lot of first-time home buyer families don't really want to sacrifice that second bath, and they don't want a 2-bedroom because they want the house to kind of like be future-proof, so that way if they do grow their family, they have enough bedrooms for all their kids. So maybe if they change to 1-bath, I think 1-bath as a starter is perfectly doable. That was my first home. 3-bedroom, 1-bath was my first home, and then I upgraded. Oh, look, see, there's 6 homes now. When you just erase a bathroom and go with 1, there's 6 now. You just gotta play with your criterias, and I would say if you don't, you didn't imagine yourself buying a home that's just 1-bath, go look at it first. Go look at it with your agent. See if it's something that you might be willing to live with. Because again, right now, people that are buying a home, especially first-time home buyers that don't have deep pockets, are buying homes just to survive this weird market we're in. It's either that or you're renting very high, and it's probably going to be way smaller. And then you really don't have a choice. You're probably going to settle for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and it's a rental.
Yeah.
Maybe, Lisa, you could pull up the numbers for 300K, how that's going to look like for a first-time home buyer.
Absolutely. So let me go
So
ahead
that way
and
you guys know how much down payment you need, how much your monthly payments are going to be based off of today's interest rates, closing costs, all that jazz. So, just so that way you could stop second-guessing yourself whether or not you're qualified, you're approved, you can do it or not.
So I got 3 options, especially for first-time buyers for you guys, okay? The first one is the FHA loan, okay? This is the regular interest rate for it right now. This is the monthly principal and interest with property tax, home insurance, mortgage insurance, the whole shebang comes out to be close to $2,083, okay? I'm just going to round up, okay, guys? Cash to close for that, with closing costs. And if you've seen any of our other loan scenario pricings and everything like that, I always had it at a higher, just because right now the sellers aren't going to pay for any of the closing costs. And if you put in an offer to ask for any of that, that just limits your probability of winning that offer. So I'm just going to rip off the Band-Aid and say, hey, worst case scenario, this may be the case. So you're bringing it in with $19,000 in order to purchase that $300,000. Okay, just so that you know, either the escrow company, your real estate agent, your lender, nobody can take that. If those fees are less, they can't say, oh, okay, then we'll just keep it. It's a tip for us. We can't do that. Okay, legally, nobody can do that. So it's a safer situation when you take a look at the worst case scenario. Come in, it's not really a worst case scenario when you're telling Mr. Seller, hey, I know you got like 50 other people that really love your home, but I love your home so much, I'm not going to wheel and deal you. I'm going to pay for all the closing costs, including mine and yours. Okay, so that gives you a little bit of a leg up. So if you're doing a 3% down, okay, for $300,000, this is your monthly payment. It's a little shy of this. Okay, the interest rate is slightly higher, and this is where the normal interest rate is for 3% right now. Okay, and with closing costs and everything like that, you're looking to come up with almost close to $18,000. So it's a little shy of this amount. This portion helps a little bit more just because the mortgage insurance is less. The difference between a conventional loan and an FHA loan is the FHA loan, the mortgage insurance will stay on the life of the loan until you refinance or you sell the property. For conventional loans, guys, okay, as long as you make at least 20% of equity and have the loan for 2 years, you can contact a lender to remove that a mortgage insurance. And conventional loans are a lot more sensitive to your credit, how much you're putting down and everything like that. So if you have excellent credit, excellent everything, then I would recommend the conventional route. So it's a little bit safer for you, even though the interest rate is higher. You see the monthly total is less. Lastly, if you decide to put 5% down, okay, these are for people who this is not your first time buying a home. If you have ownership of a home in the last 3 years, okay, you're not considered a first-time home buyer. But let's just say, for instance, you just sold your property and you want to get into another one. You're not forced to actually put in 20% again. You can actually put in 5%. Okay, and if you do that, again, for conventional loans, the interest rate's a little bit higher. If you put 5% and above to 25%, the interest rate is going to be slightly better than a 3% down. This is your monthly payment. Okay, again, all three very similar. Okay, closing costs and everything like that, you're looking close to $24,000. So not bad.
If you were qualified for 300K, all right,
Mhm.
and that was your max, me and Lisa don't really recommend you looking at homes at your max, unless it's been on the market for over 30 days. Then you might have a chance at getting the home at asking price, because that home's been sitting, and there's probably a reason why it's been sitting on the market. But if it's a home that just hit the market under 7 days and it's right at 300K, the chances of you getting that home accepted if you submit an offer at asking right at your max is very thin. I'm telling you guys this, not because I want you guys to compete and pay more, but it's because I want to set it straight with everybody. I want you guys to know the truth about this market we're in right now. Buyers that are coming in with that mentality are losing, and they're shooting themselves in the foot, and they're getting jaded by the process, okay? Because they heard a while back that one of their friends and family was able to lowball a house, and they want to do the same. This market is totally different. Sellers are not even looking at personal letters anymore, because they just want to sell the house so that they could move on and be part of the buying pool also. So you need to come into this market. If you're a first-time home buyer, if your max qualification and your budget you do not want to exceed is 300K, look at homes, the highest 280.
Yeah.
Look at home that is 280 max. So that way, if you did compete, because it's gonna have competition, you could bid up to 300K. And you have, and if you did get to that point and your offer did get accepted at 300K, you got the house and it's under your price point. So that way you're not scratching your head each month the mortgage is due.